these are the glasses case, and I am going to open these up. Let me see. Open these up. Woo. Here we go. As you can see, that color. Oh, that look dark. All right. I don't want that lighting to be like that. See the emblem? And you see his name is on there, and then it's also in the front right there. But these are so sleek. So, you know, I had to support Black fashion designer. And these are how they look. What's it giving? What's it giving? They're so cute. So I intend to wear them tonight, or today actually, but I might keep what I have on. I was going to change, but it's a little chilly. It's a little cold. It's like 62. I'm probably going to keep what I have on, which is just airport hoodie and some leggings and some sneakers, and then put these back on. These are what I had on. But I might wear those. I'm going to probably wear those tonight. But these are the glasses I had on. Guess how much these were? $10 at the beauty supply store. I got 3 different shades. This one, a green, and a like blue tint. But super cheap, super fashionable. But yeah, I just wanted to show these Brandon BLACKWOODs. These Brandon BLACKWOODs. They're so fire. So now I have an accessory from him as well as my blue Brandon BLACKWOOD bag. And I want to get the green and black. It's like that marble effect. It has like the 2-layer. I'll insert a picture, but that bag looks fire. And his marketing has been A1. So whoever that company is that he hired, he needs to stick with them because he's been doing really well. I am happy for him. Much success for us Black creatives, Black fashion people, right? But yes, these are the glasses. What do you guys think? I will put the link below in the description if you would like to purchase. They also come in a brown Curtis tint that has the marble effect. But you know, I have to get the classic black. So these are so hard. I love them. All right, but stay tuned. Content is coming. As you know, I got my new Nikon Z30 camera, which I'm on. So I hope this quality looks banging. And if you haven't, check out that video. I will link it here and also in the description. But definitely invest if you're interested in a new camera. I think this is a perfect camera. It is touchscreen. You can do Wi-Fi connection to your phone. If you have videos and photos, you can send it right to your phone through the app. If you get the creators kit, you get the tripod, which I'm using here, so I keep moving it. You get the remote and you get the microphone, which has the windshield free attachment if you're outside. But it's definitely a good investment, so I would say do it. And I will link the video below of the YouTuber ErinOnDemand who recommended it. But yes, I will be checking in back shortly. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you soon. Peace.